Are you looking to streamline your order fulfillment process with ShopWired? In this video, we're going to dive into how to use ShopWired for automated order fulfillment, giving you all the details you need to decide if this tool is the right fit for your business. Stick with us to the end because I'm also going to reveal some amazing alternatives that might even do the job better. Let's get started with the basics. ShopWired is an e-commerce platform designed to simplify store management. One of its standout features is automated order fulfillment. This tool helps save time by automatically processing orders, which means fewer manual tasks for you and your team. But like any software, it's not without its pros and cons, so we're going to break down how well it works for automated order fulfillment. Next thing, ShopWired integrates seamlessly with several major carriers, including Royal Mail, UPS, and DHL. This integration is key to its automation. Once an order is placed, ShopWired automatically sends shipping information to your chosen carrier, streamlining the whole fulfillment process. This feature alone can drastically reduce your workload, and if you're handling a lot of orders, this can really save time. The third thing you should know about is how ShopWired handles inventory management. As part of the automated order fulfillment process, it updates stock levels in real time as orders are processed. This ensures that you never oversell items that are out of stock, which is a major issue that can lead to customer dissatisfaction. However, keep in mind that while it's fairly accurate, it's not foolproof. You still need to occasionally double-check stock levels, especially during high-volume periods. Next, let's talk about the user interface. ShopWired's dashboard is fairly straightforward, which is great for beginners. You can track orders, manage products, and set up your fulfillment automation all in one place. But compared to some competitors, the design feels a little dated and not as intuitive as other options. For those who want an even more polished, easy-to-navigate interface, some other platforms might be worth looking into. The fifth thing is about ShopWired's pricing. While it's on the more affordable side, you do get what you pay for. The automated fulfillment process is reliable, but if you need advanced features, you may need to look at higher tier plans or even consider switching to a different platform entirely. Some competitors provide more customization options, which could be worth it for businesses with more specific needs. Now, before I wrap up, let's discuss alternatives that might be a better fit depending on your goals. While ShopWired does a good job with automated order fulfillment, platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce offer even more robust features, especially for growing businesses. Shopify, for example, offers advanced automation tools that are easy to set up and integrate with more third-party apps. BigCommerce also has excellent order fulfillment features and a more flexible pricing structure. And here's the twist. We've partnered with ShopWired to give you an exclusive extended free trial. But here's the catch. I also want to give you access to the best alternatives that might serve your needs better. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, making it a win-win for your business. To get started, just click the link in the description below for your exclusive offer. Thanks for watching.